Sewer lines often have cleanout pipes. These are important to access the line in case there's a problem. Here's a simple solution to solve that issue. You'll need an underground valve box, a new cleanout fitting, and PVC cement. Dig around the pipe a little larger and deeper than the valve box. Cut the pipe a few inches below the ground level. After cleaning the pipe, glue the new cleanout fitting in place. Place the valve box in the ground and backfill around it. I recommend putting some crushed stone inside the box, even with the fitting. Now you have a flush access panel that won't get in your way. As you can see, I still have a little more cleanup work to do, but getting rid of that ugly pipe is that easy, and you can do it.